Hey guys, hope you're having a great weekend. This is Rich from Rich TV Live, and I've been thinking a lot about what are the top four cannabis stocks, weed stocks, marijuana stocks to buy right now, and I think it's really easy. Number one, Afria. They just turned a profit. Profitable companies are going to be the ones that people are going to trust and they're going to invest in the most. You want to buy Afria. The upside is tremendous. I was looking at one of my apps that I use. They are forecasting that future revenue growth will take the stock up to $40. That's 500% from these prices. Number two, Emerald Health Therapeutics, only around $2. They just turned a profit. Nobody knows. And they're at $2. Huge opportunity with Emerald Health. Enormous upside. I see potential upside for this stock to go to like $20. Could you imagine? That's 1,000% upside. Number three, MediPharm Labs. Love these guys. They're the leader in extraction companies. I see huge upside for labs. I think they go up at least to $15, $16 on future revenue. Watch labs, another profitable company. That's my third stock that I think you need to buy if you want to be holding cannabis stocks. And last but not least, my number one pick for August 2019 and beyond, Trulieve, huge profitable company. They earned $31 million in profit. That's right, profit this quarter. Trulieve Cannabis, a giant. I see enormous upside for Trulieve. I think one day they become a $30, $40 stock, still at $12. Huge upside for Trulieve Cannabis. So once again, four stocks to own right now in the cannabis sector. All four of them are profitable in a sea of companies that are losing money. Afria, Emerald Health, MediPharm Labs, and last but not least, Trulieve. You can book it. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace. Have a nice weekend. Gotta love the cannabis sector. And remember, guys, we're just in the start of this. It's only going to get bigger. It's only going to get better. And these four companies are four of the first companies ever to turn a profit, but they won't be the last. Mark my words. I'm out. Peace.